Splitting hairs. Stop splitting hairs. Splitting hairs is an idiom that means to stop making such a fine argument. The argument, which is like the hair, is not important. You're making too much of this argument, and you are splitting. You are splitting you are splitting hairs. Okay? It's very difficult to split a hair, but this is the image, to split the hair in half. So here we have the hair right here, and of course this hair is split in half. Why? Why is the hair split in half? Well, that's because the hair is like the entire argument. So this is the argument right here. And there are many points made in an argument. So this is 1 point here, 1 point there, 1 point there, 1 point there. All of these hairs are points. They are sub-arguments to the greater argument. And when you make a point, and then this is the point right here, this hair right here is the point. And when you make the point and then you start arguing about that point, and you argue too much, and you argue in too great of detail, you are, here's a hair, you are splitting hairs. You are focusing on that point, on that line of argument. The line of argument is right here. This is the line of argument, and you are putting too much effort, too much detail into that specific point. You are splitting hairs.